welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today's a recipe video, and with the festive season just around the corner, I thought of sharing with you guys a few Christmas recipes. So today being the first one, let's make some cranberry sauce. Now this is generally made during Christmas dinners and it goes well with your roast and mushroom gravy, or you can also enjoy it as a jam. So let's get started.
So in a heavy bottom pan, I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of unrefined raw sugar, followed by a small star anise, 2 small sticks of cinnamon, 2 cloves, a cup of dried cranberries. You can use fresh if you have access to them, half a teaspoon of orange zest, juice of a whole orange, half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, half an apple grated, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, a pinch of black pepper, half a cup of water, and around 4 to 5 tablespoons of port wine. Now we can mix this and keep it on the gas from low to medium flame. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for 20 minutes. You can remove the lid and stir it couple of times in between. Now post 20 minutes, that's how your cranberry sauce should look. So we're going to let this cool off completely now. And once it's cooled off, we can remove the whole spices from the sauce. And our sweet and tart cranberry sauce is done. You can enjoy it fresh or store it in an airtight container in your fridge up to 2 weeks, or freeze it up to 6 months.
So that's it for today, guys. Do try out this cranberry sauce and let me know how did you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.